Now you can see that the display adjustment is fairly okay, I presume. You can see that no connection power SDR. That's because power SDR has not been connected. So far so good. Now I'll have to install the power SDR software in my computer and then start working again. Here is an update on LMR SDR homebrewing. I have connected the Arduino Nano here. Yesterday I had posted about Berg strips used for, these are the Berg strip. There are Berg strips beneath this also. You can see this is a Berg strip onto which the Arduino has been placed. There are a couple of strips, one here and another here. The Arduino has been pushed there, and a similar strip has been placed here, to which jumper wires have been connected, and the jumper wires go to the 16:2 display. This is the 16:2 display. I also connected the SO239 connector, and this is the power line. Crystal has been mounted, 27 megahertz crystal has been mounted. LEDs, this is the CAT, computerized automatic transceiver control, that is CAT, indication LED. These are RX and TX indication LEDs. All these have been mounted, and here you can see the different jacks, phone, line in, line out, all those are there. And then this is the USB port for programming the Arduino. I have not programmed the Arduino because for that I have to install the program in my desktop and then connect it here. And interesting part about mounting the LCD is that LCD display has a total of 16 pins, of which only 12 are used. The middle 4 are not used because they do not form part of the 4-bit data transfer. So first 6 are used, last 6 are used. In between 4 pins are not connected. You can see that here. The order is according to what is there in this circuit, which is there in the circuit diagram. I am checking for any continuity between the power lines just to make sure that there is no short in the board, there is no continuity. This is just a trial power on to see the LCD display. The circuit is not complete. A few more components have to be assembled. Just a trial to see that the display is connected. You can see that there is a blinking LED in the Arduino Nano. There is no program in the Arduino Nano, and the LCD is lit, but nothing is seen on the LCD screen, probably because there is no program over there. I'll have to check again after installing the program in the Arduino. Anyway, at least something is working. And I am checking the current also. The current draw is seen as 120 milliamperes. This is not transmit mode, this is RX mode only. This is the blinking LED, and none of these are lit up. That probably will lit up only during actual operation with the program in the Arduino. RX, TX or CAT control, nothing has lit up. This is only a baseline power up just to see for the curiosity after having assembled everything. Now I have to connect the board to the computer. For that the wire has to be made. Some such things have to be done again. This is just an initial power on. After the initial power on of the LCD, I followed the instructions from View3 AVE regarding uploading of the hex file to Arduino Nano. First install in Windows PC is CH341SER.rar, unpack that file, and inside you can find SETUP.exe. Double click and install SETUP.exe. This will install driver software for Arduino Nano to work properly. Now to upload into Arduino Nano the hex file F5NPV version 6. For that, use the uploader program called Xloader, which can be found in Xloader zip file. All these files were shared by View3 AVE. After successful upload of hex file in Arduino Nano, it is ready to be inserted in LMR SDR board. The Arduino board was connected to the desktop computer using mini USB connector at the Arduino end and standard USB at the computer end. When the Xloader was used initially with the default baud rate of 57,600, it did not work. That baud rate is meant for older versions of Arduino bootloader. Then I changed the baud rate to 115200. It worked well. COM port is selected according to what is displayed in your device manager of Windows. Another issue was that the hex file was shown as 102 KB while the upload value was only 28 KB. That is because the memory size of Arduino Nano is just 32 KB and the uploader uploads only the bare essential part of the original hex file. The potentiometer for adjusting the brightness has been connected, and I am turning the potentiometer clockwise. You can continue watching the display. Now gradually the display is showing you can see that now it is seen. I don't know how well it is seen. I think I'll have to change the light. Now you can see that the display adjustment is fairly okay, I presume. You can see that no connection power SDR. That's because power SDR has not been connected. So far so good. Now I'll have to install the power SDR software in my computer and then start working again.